how do you manage rabbits in the garden? If you look here, the rabbits have completely chewed the bark off. They have debarked it completely, and this is a multi-grafted pear, so basically the grafts above the graft union are going to die, and that's a loss. So how do you deal with that? First, you need a very tall, at least 2 feet tall tree guard. In this case, I'm using hardware cloth, 1/2 inch, and as you can see, even above that, they have browsed here. They chewed it off because there was a lot of snow here. They stepped on the snow and were able to chew the bark off. If you offer the rabbits some branches they can chew, they need to survive as well. So here they left gift packages here for us, and that adds fertility to the soil. Also, your compost bin is completely useless in winter because it will be frozen. So instead of putting everything in the compost bin, you can offer the rabbits vegetable scraps like carrot peels and kale. That is not suitable for us because maybe a bit of yellow in them or a bit stale, but they love it. And again, in return, they will leave you lots of manure. It's all over the place and it's everywhere. So in a way, you're not bothering the rabbits, you're helping them and they'll help you. I think that's a good deal. Thanks for watching. Take care.